What's up, y'all? It's Lucy PYO back at it again with another video.
Ivan the producer.
Today's video is going to be my all-time favorite kind of videos. I got a sneaker unboxing for you guys / review. And today's sneakers that we're gonna get into are Balenciaga's track trainers. Before I get into the video, I just wanted to tell y'all my experience with purchasing something foreign as Balenciaga's. Like, let me tell y'all the fucking hassle I had to go through for these fucking sneakers. First of all, word of advice, if you want to get sneakers that come from Europe, I suggest that you either know your size or you go and try it on in the. If you don't know your size, you go to the store and try it on and see if it fits, see how it fits, walk around with them and make sure they fit good, and then buy them if you're gonna buy them online. I don't recommend buying foreign shoes or foreign anything unless it's like an accessory online, because honestly, you're just gonna make your life impossible. So let me tell y'all what happened to me. Let me tell y'all this little mini short story time before I get into the sneakers. So what happened was, you know, we're in quarantine and stuff, you know, and I'm just like, I want to buy myself some foreigns, like I deserve it, you know. So I'm like, I might as well go and buy Balenciagas. Boom. I decide, let me use the Go app to get my sneakers. The first time I bought them in black. I'm gonna be inserting videos of what I'm talking about, so be patient. But I got the black ones and I got them in men's. I usually buy my shoes size men. I always talk about it on my YouTube videos. I buy my sneakers 7 men, and I've never had an issue. I've never had like an issue with like sizing and like, oh, like do they fit, do they not? Like I always get a size 7 in men, right? Or a size 6.5 youth or 8 in women. But since I don't really purchase like shoes in women's size, then I kind of like sometimes forget. So then I have to look back at other shoes, not even sneakers, because all my sneakers are men. I always got to look at like sandals or like stuff like that to know my size in women. So I buy the Balenciagas in size men, and it turns out, long story short, that they fit me huge. Like, I'm not even dragging it. It fit me so big. Mind you, like I said, I've never had an issue with size 7 men sneakers, but this was the first time. This is why I'm saying, if you're gonna buy foreign sneakers, you might as well just go to the store or know your size already, because you're just gonna make a freaking mistake ordering them thinking you know your size. But anyways, so I order them, they come, I try them on, they fit me too big. Even like with thick socks, they kind of fit me big, and I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna wear this. Like, I'm not even gonna do this to myself, because I was gonna keep them at first, but that would have been a dumb idea. Plus, I wanted them to be colorful, because they would have looked nice to get those kind of sneakers specifically in like bold colors, because why not? So yeah, the sneakers come in and they didn't fit, so I had to ship them back to Go. I went to UPS. Mind you, all this hassle for some sneakers. Anyways, this is what I do. This is what I do for sneakers. I put myself through all this shit. Return them. They take a while to ship back to UPS. I had to, on the Go app, I had to request to return it. So yeah, I return it. They get it. They refund me my credit for the sneakers, and then I get the credit for the sneakers again. So I ordered the sneakers this time in a size 8 woman, and they canceled my order.
Okay.
I was gonna get the blue ones with pink. I had to order them again. Thankfully, this time I didn't have to like return anything. I just had to just repurchase it, and I had to pay a difference because these were more expensive than the other ones that I got. So yeah, but honestly, like looking up European sizes, like conversions into US, honestly is a waste of time. You, like I said, might as well just go and try them on. That's my story, y'all. So boom, this is the box. This shit is huge and heavy. Just saying, okay? This box is huge and heavy, so bear with me. So this is the box. It's gray. Simple, so I'm not even gonna go hard, okay? So boom. When you open the box, you're going to have your, because I ordered it from Go, obviously, so I have my Go verification. I'm not gonna get into this, and I got my Go sticker. It also comes with 2 laces. This is clutch, because what if like your laces get fucked up and all that? So yeah, let's not even get into it. But what if your laces get fucked up? Seriously, like at least you got another pair. It comes with this little manual and stuff. It It pretty much talks about the product, the appearance, and the style of it. It comes in different languages. Here we have the bag. It's this bag. You put your sneakers inside so that they won't, it's like a dust bag. You don't want your sneakers to get dirty, or just, you want to preserve them as best as you can. So this is also clutch. This, like, you know, the Gucci store and other foreign sends you the dust bag. So the sneakers now. I got the pink and blue Balenciaga sneakers. Yes, queen. Let's talk about the design of this sneaker. Honestly, I love that it has the European size right here. I know some people, like, I watched some reviews on them, and I know some people were saying like, oh, it's so annoying because I don't want people to know my shoe size. But like, honestly, I don't give a fuck. It has my shoe size right here in European. It says Balenciaga right here. It says Balenciaga right here. I love how it says it everywhere on the shoe. Like, it makes it look like, I don't know, cool. It has the BB right here. I love the color of the laces. It's pink, white, and black. And then I love how the shoes have like this, like the different shade, like the light pink right here with the dark pink right here. And then the materials is like all honestly, these shoes are like different because the material is different all throughout the sneaker, and it's just like, it just looks weird. Like, they look like Skechers, but like if Skechers were high end. Literally, that's how I can explain how these kind of sneakers look. They're pretty bulky. Oh my god, guys, these sneakers are bulky. They're like wearing Timbs. Like, they're so heavy when you walk, and yeah, it kind of adds a little like swag to your walk, if you know what I'm saying. A little swag to your step or whatever. Put on your shoes and get to stepping, because you already know a girl like me gotta be fly everywhere she go, everywhere she be. Oh, by the way, these laces, like, there's 2 laces in the sneakers. So look, for example, like, let me show y'all. Okay, y'all see that? So it's like 1 and 2 separate laces, and then separate laces right here. Sneakers are like super bulky, and yeah, but they're honestly so stylish. You can dress them up or down. You can wear this with a dress, a black dress, or a pink dress. Like, honestly, you can wear this with a dress in general, or you can wear this with biker shorts or jeans. You can dress them up or down. I love these sneakers because they look so high end, like I said, but I don't know, like, you can wear them all the time. Like, it's not like, you know, Gucci sneakers have Gucci all over. It's just like, it has the nice colors, it has the brand, it has this part right here, y'all, is like probably like the part that makes the sneaker heavy, because you'll see prices. Honestly, y'all know, if y'all trying to get foreign sneakers, y'all better be ready to blow a fucking bag, bitch. These sneakers is not cheap. Don't like wasting a lot of money on sneakers, let's say, then these are not the sneakers for you. If you love sneakers like me and you're willing to drop whatever it takes and risk it all, here you go. These are the sneakers for you. Another recommendation, if you have fat feet like me, then I will suggest you size up. They don't have half sizes, so you size up, or I'm not sure if they have half sizes. Last time I recall, it's confusing on Go, because on Go, some of the sneakers had half sizes, some of the sneakers was just 1 size up and 1 size down, not half. So it's confusing depending on what you get, but I would just suggest that you size up half a size or a whole size, because these shoes are kind of like small. For men, the sneakers run humongous. Fucking humongous. At least for a girl to purchase it, because, girl, don't buy these sneakers if you don't know your size, because you're just gonna fuck it up for yourself, and you're gonna put yourself through what I put myself through, which is a fucking hassle. But that's it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't know where to go, it's Lucy, PYL. Follow me on social media, they will be linked down below, and tune into my next video. Bye, y'all.